Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you the recipe of bread poha, or you can say bread upma, and it's a very quick and easy breakfast recipe with mouth-watering taste. And here, instead of using flattened rice, we will be using bread slices, and this recipe has very soft texture and slightly tangy flavor. Also, if you have leftover bread available in your house, then you can prepare it easily in very less time with very few ingredients. Also, I would say like it's a perfect recipe for you to pack in your little one's lunchbox, or you can relish this recipe anytime as a snack also. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. These are the ingredients for making bread poha. Here we are taking half cup of chopped onion, 3/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, chopped cilantro, few green chilies and curry leaves, 1/4 cup of yogurt. In spices we are taking half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and pinch of hing. Also we are taking 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and salt as per taste. Here I am taking 5 slices of white bread. Let's start the preparation. So first we'll cut the slices of bread. So we can cut the bread into pieces like this. Here we have cutted all the slices of bread into pieces. So now let's proceed to the next step. Let's start the preparation. So just turn on the heat and we'll add oil into the pan. Oil is hot now, so we'll add mustard seed into it. And hing. Now we'll add curry leaves and green chilies. Also add turmeric. Mix it. Now we'll add chopped onion. And we'll just fry the onion. We don't need to over fry the onions. तो जैसे ही थोड़ा सा गुलाबी हो जाएंगे अनियन, we'll add the tomatoes. And mix it. टमाटोज हमें अच्छे से फ्राई करना है जिससे कि वो थोड़े मैशी हो जाएं. At this stage we will add some salt also. आप चाहें तो अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से सॉल्ट नहीं ऐड कर सकते हैं इस स्टेप पर. So here as you can see our tomatoes are mushy. So we'll add the spices. So So first we'll add the red chili and garam masala into it. Mix it well. In the next step we are going to add yogurt. So just turn the heat to low. And mix the yogurt. Mix it nicely. Also add amchur powder. आमचूर पाउडर इज़ ऑप्शनल. अगर आप ज़्यादा खट्टा नहीं पसंद करते तो आप उसको अवॉइड भी कर सकते हैं. And now we'll mix the bread pieces that we have chopped before. And mix it with a gentle hand. So I have added the sufficient amount of salt in the previous steps only. So if you have not added the sufficient salt, then you can add right now also. But I would say you can just add the salt at the time of when we were just frying the mixture. So just mix it nicely. And here our easy to make bread poha is ready. So we'll just transfer it into the plate. And you can garnish it with the coriander. Also, if you like, you can add some savories over it. It tastes great with that too. I personally love this savories over this bread poha. So here our bread poha is ready, and it's quite healthy breakfast that you can easily prepare, and it tastes really good. Thanks for watching.